Let me talk to you directly. If you're 25, you feel behind. If you're 30, you feel late. If you're 40, you feel like you missed it. But here's the truth nobody tells you: you're not late. You're just comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. And that comparison, it's stealing your momentum. Social media has destroyed financial patience. You scroll. You see 22-year-olds with businesses, 28-year-olds buying houses, 30-year-olds retiring. And you think, I messed up, but you don't see the debt. You don't see the help they got. You don't see the lucky timing. You don't see the years of invisible work. You only see the highlights, never the foundation. And here's something powerful. Most millionaires don't become millionaires in their 20s. They build slowly, quietly, patiently. Wealth grows in silence and then shows up suddenly. You think you're late because you're measuring time wrong. You're measuring by age, but wealth isn't measured by age. It's measured by consistency. If you start investing at 30 and stay consistent for 15 years, you're not late. If you build a high-income skill at 35, you're not late. If you fix your money habits at 40, you are not late. You're actually early to the next 20 years of your life. And those 20 years, they're going to pass anyway. The real danger isn't starting late, it's delaying because you think you're late. Let's make this practical. 5 years. That's it. 5 years of consistent investing. Of building skills. Of reading instead of scrolling. Of buying assets instead of liabilities. 5 years of patience instead of impulse. 5 years can completely change your identity. Your income can double. Your confidence can grow. Opportunities can multiply, but only if you stop waiting for the perfect time to start. Because perfect timing doesn't exist, only starting does. Now, imagine this. Fast forward 10 years, there are two versions of you. Version 1 is still thinking, still comparing, still saying, I should have started earlier. Version 2 isn't flashy, isn't viral, not an overnight success. But they are disciplined. They own assets. Their investments are growing. They are living with options. The difference, one started imperfectly. The other waited perfectly. And regret. Regret compounds faster than money. Don't let it. You are not behind. You are not too old. You are not too late. You are early to your next chapter. But here's the hard truth. If you don't start now, 5 years from today, you'll still be watching videos like this instead of living the results. The clock is moving either way. So use it. Start small. Start messy. Start unsure. Just start. Because the best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago. The second best time, right now. If you're done feeling late, type, starting now. And follow Capital Blueprint HQ for powerful money psychology and long-term wealth strategy. Your future self is watching. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.